Hey fellas, what's going on? So today we will learn what is the legit way to earn money with mystery shopping. So if you love shopping, becoming a mystery shopper is an excellent way to make extra money. Retailers and market research companies hire mystery shoppers to shop specific locations and report on overall consumer experience. They monitor customer service, store conditions, and product quality without the company's employee knowing they are being examined. You can do some mystery shopping work remotely. For example, some jobs involve testing the service quality at call centers or evaluating the shopping experience at an online retailer. Here are some of the most popular companies where people can sign up to the mystery shoppers. The market force. Get hired by grocery store, restaurants, pharmacies, and even gas station conveniences shops to try out their products and services. Then there is a best mark. Become a field representative or evaluator to help companies improve their business operations. Then there is a secret shopper. Perform on-site or phone service evaluations for companies all over the world. Then there is payment for mystery shoppers, vary depending on the company. For each job completed, you can get reimbursed for the items you purchased, receive vouchers and gift cards, or earn between $10 to $25 on average. So to avoid scams, remember that you should never pay to become a mystery shopper. And since you would be an independent contractor, companies can't force you to take on a certain number of mystery shopper jobs continuously. So guys, this is very interesting job and this can be a day-to-day life part of your life. So you can go ahead and start making money with this excellent job. Thank you.